This video contains scenes with coarse language and silly, stupid behavior. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Big Cat. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at another Moderoid kit from the Good Smile Company. This time, Voltron Lion Force. First up, they give a couple booklets. It helps because it is a model kit. Get instructions. No need to translate because they do put English. Very clear cut instructions. We also get instructions for paint and stickers if you want to paint it up. There are the stickers all finished. I actually forgot to put on a couple. Right there, 41 and 42. I'll have to fix that. And lastly, we get a booklet that tells you how to transform the Lion Force into a Voltron. And how to plug in the various accessories that he comes with. Now, let's quickly go through all the runners that are included in this model kit. I will fast forward so it doesn't take too long. And here we have the Lion Force all put together. A very nice, easy build. No complaints. At least no complaints that come to mind right away. I don't own any other Voltron figures or model kits, but I don't know, I'm a big pop culture guy and I needed a Voltron in my collection. And I enjoy doing model kits. So, went down to my local toy store and got myself this model kit. Here, all built up. The blue lion holding his weapon in his teeth. The red lion. The black lion. I don't think I have him done up well. His ears should be in and his fins should be back, I think. I'm not a Voltron head, so correct me, people, if I'm wrong. The green lion and the yellow lion. Not all lions are created equal. The red and green are smaller than the blue and yellow, with the black being the largest. They look very well done. They look nice and clean. Good stuff. Let's get in close and look at each one individually. We got the red lion. We got the green lion. Lion number 3. And we got the blue lion. Number 4. Followed by yellow. Number 5. And number 1. The main cat. The big cat, if you will. The black lion. I don't think they got any names. Like I said, I'm not big into Voltron. Everybody pretty much knows Voltron. You got 5 lions. Turn into a big robot. Why not? He defends the universe from I don't know, actually. He usually fights in space. He's fighting things in space. Getting in close at details, looking at lion number 2, the red lion. Articulation. Nicely done. Head is on a ball joint. The mouth opens and closes. He's got a tab in there to hold his weapon. I have not painted these up yet. This is just a straight up build with stickers, no paint. His middle half. His waist has good articulation. Tail articulates as well. Up and down. No wiggle waggle. Oop. Pets' heads are falling off. There we go. The articulation in the leg. We got a point at the hip, at the knee, and at the ankle. It does what it's supposed to, and for the most part, stays together. Here we have the green lion. Lion number 3. And for the most part, he is the same as the red lion. Articulation and details included. Let's take a look at the black lion. Getting into articulation, his head is in a different configuration than the other lions. You can do a bit more. Up and down, left and right, tilt. You got an articulation point at his shoulders in lion mode, his knees, and ankles. In the back, we have a thigh swivel. And the same gimmicks at the knees and ankles. Tail can move just like the other lions. All in all, nicely done. The blue and yellow lion are slightly different with articulation because they turn into the feet. So keeping that in mind, his head can go all the way up and all the way down. Very stiff because of the function it plays. We have some articulation at the waist, I guess. He can move left and right. Wiggle waggle. Tail doesn't wiggle waggle. Up and down. And the same articulation as the other lions with the legs. Alright, let's get into transformation. Let's transform these lions into Voltron. Voltron! Start with number 1. First up, pull the head down. It is just sitting in the top of the lion's mouth. There we go. Let's open up the wings in the back. Spread them out. We'll get the legs all set up. That is all you have to do, is just straighten them out, and they will plug in to the red and blue lion respectively. For the front paws, you just open the hatch and fold in the paws. Close up. Same on the other side. And rotate the shoulders towards the back so you complete the chest. There we go, lion 1 already. Oh, forgot the tail. Let's just fold that in to his butt. He comes with a piece of plastic that covers up the tail and adds a display port. Let's open up the ears. I like that. The face is looking good. Looking great. Good color separation on this model kit. Let's stick them to the side. You pull on the lion's waist and extend it, revealing a double jointed elbow and some forearm movement. Next up, fold up the legs like so. On both sides, the front and the back will look like this when you fold it in. There we go. Alright, let's fold up the tail, stick it inside, close her up, and there we go. Alright, line number 3 is the same as line number 2. Fold up the tail, fold in the legs, and pull out the plug. I forgot to do it on line number 2. These will insert into the shoulder holes, the shoulder holes of line number 1. Just fold up the legs. There we go. Extend the waist. And there we go. Alright, here we got line number 4. Let's get the feet ready. Fold in the tail. Folding in the back legs, like so. Now, when it comes to the legs, they include two oversized lion heads for the blue lion and the yellow lion, because their regular heads would be too small. So we got to pop off this head and pop on the other one. There we go. Stickers on the eyes and the side of the head right there. The red is a sticker and the gray part is a sticker. Not the greatest stickers right there. I would have preferred decals, or I should have painted it, but that's my bad. Eventually I'll take that off and just put some paint. Let's pop on the head. Got a hole, you got a ball, stick it in. Fold the leg like so it kind of fixes up the ankles. There we have line number 4, all transformed into the foot. Line number 5, just do the same thing. Now let's grab all our legs and arms and torsos and stick them together. Starting first with the legs, just makes everything easier. You simply just shove the lion's legs down into the other lion's butt, creating the connection. You can hear a click. There you go. That's all it is. Simple. There we go. Nice. Almost there. Now let's do the arms. Just take the lion's butt plug and stick it into the shoulder plug. There you go. Here we have the lions all transformed into Voltron. I don't know why I'm making him sound menacing. He is not supposed to be. He is a defender of the universe. Voltron. Voltron. It's getting close. Look at the details. We got some stickers there on the wings. Nice color separation on the chest. The Voltron's face looks nice and white. It's not always the best. There we go. The chest looks great. I mean, it's a nice looking Voltron model kit. It works. You look at them, you're like, no, you're not confused. You're not wondering what robot he is. Who is this robot made of cats? Well, you know, it's Voltron. Let's look at the articulation on this Voltron Moderoid model kit. The head. The head can look up and down like that. It's on a ball joint. Left and right. Can do a full 360 if you so choose. The ears can go up and down. The wings can fold and move. The shoulders. Yeah. Sadly, no butterfly for forward and back on Voltron, but you get a full 360. You get a bicep swivel. And a double jointed elbow that gets you to 90 degrees because of the sculpting. Since his hands are cat heads, the mouth opens and closes. The head can do everything that the lion did. And you get that extra forearm articulation. Alright, we got a diaphragm cut / ab crunch that gets you forward, back, and left and right. The legs can kick out like that. Back like that. Very tight friction on there. The legs are not going to flop. Nicely done. You get a thigh swivel and a double jointed knee. And because of our oversized head, we get some nice tiltage on our ankles. Foot can go up and down. We're going to take a look at accessories now. Here he has a double sword type of thing. Not painted up. This is just fresh off the runners and built. I didn't do anything to this. The weapon just plugs into the port located inside the lion's hand thingamajig. You have a nicely done shield. Again, no paint done on this. This is just built up. Last but not least, Voltron's sword. That is color separation with pieces except for the cross. That was pre-painted. There we go. Show off some of the details. Plugs in easily to the hand. Nicely done accessories for our Voltron. Let's do some comparisons with another Moderoid model kit. A Zamboogle. Robo-Kane from RoboCop 2. We have a Kotobukiya V Thor. We have a Kotobukiya model kit right here. Gunhead. YOLO Park AMK Pro Series Megatron. And a Moderoid Power Loader. From Aliens, these wires drive me nuts. I gotta finish her up. Not looking too good. The wires are just a mess back here. A nice model kit, but the piping and the tubes are too much on this. Too much tubes. Scorny's face looking. She has no face really. Yeah. I gotta go back. And that's going to do it for our look at the Good Smile Company's Moderoid model kit of Voltron. And I'll give this a solid recommend. Just like most Moderoid kits. Pretty easy build. Took me a couple hours, I think. Maybe 3 to put on the stickers. But once it's done, all the lines are solid. You put them together to make Voltron. He is solid. Solid articulation, solid accessories, just a solid model kit. And hopefully you thought this review was solid. If you did think it was solid, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit those notification bells. I'm the Big Cat, and I'll catch you next time.